Hey everyone. So I already laid my white down on a 12 by 16 gallery wrap. I'm bringing out the big guns. I have never done a mallet smash. You can see she's like brand new. Except for me grabbing it and moving it and getting paint on it. But I'm going to try that reverse smash like Ann Osborne does. And if you haven't watched her channel, please check her out. She's awesome. So I'm going to dip in the color and do a smash. Or otherwise you can lay it in puddles and hit it with the mallet. But I think I probably should put some white here too. It's a nice thing about using the chucks. I can just pour paint on them. Okay, so since I already had the paint down, I can go ahead and start. Want some more of that pink. That's pretty. Get a little bit of yellow. A little more Prussian blue. So that's pretty. And I don't like the splatters. Ann's look fine, but mine don't look that great. So I'm going to go ahead and get some more color. And I'm not like beating the crap out of this canvas because if it was wood, it would be okay, but with canvas, you gotta be a little careful. Now I see why she likes to do these. They're actually kind of fun. I'm going to do a little tiny one right here. It'll be like half a, well, maybe not. I need a little more color in that one there. Well, that was cool. So that was fun. Short and sweet. And you really don't have to tilt it because you're just waiting for the canvas to fill itself in. I don't see anything I want to change. I could use some yellow there though. So let's go with this one here. Maybe a little down here on this end. Oops, I got too much red on that one. that's it. I'm not going to do anything else to it. It's kind of cool, actually, the way it feathered out too in the cells. Let me just give it a quick torch. So yeah, try this, guys. The reverse mallet smash is fun. Thank you, Ann Osborne, for bringing this one to the YouTube world for all of us to try. But it's something different. Let me turn it around so you can see the way that I'm seeing it. So I'm going to leave it because it's my first one. And it can be your first one too. So give it a try, guys. Get yourself a mallet. I got mine at Dollar Tree. $1. $1 for the beast. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Follow me on Facebook and on Etsy at Christina Welch Art on both sites. Shop with me on Amazon, where you can get all your supplies, including the washer tray. All the links are below in the description box. If you don't have access to that on your phone or tablet or whatever, shoot me a message through Facebook and I'll hook you up with the links. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.